Hello dear students, I'm an English teacher, Mr. Daulatali Sohib Nazar. In today's lesson, I am going to teach you about degrees of comparison of adjectives. This is a really amazing and enjoyable lesson. I hope by the end of this lesson, you will have enough information about adjectives, degrees of comparison, spelling rules, and irregular adjectives. So, why is it really important for us to learn about adjectives, degrees of comparison, spelling rules, and irregular adjectives? For a better understanding of today's lesson, let's have a look at the sentences below. Jack is the stronger. Jack is stronger than Jay. Jack is strong. Do you wonder which sentence is correct? If yes, so you need to learn degrees of adjectives. For more information about this lesson, please join me right now here in this video lesson. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that is used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. For example, red, quick, happy, and kind are adjectives because they can describe things: a red hat, the quick rabbit, a happy dog, a kind person. There are 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives: positive, comparative, and superlative. For example, fast, faster, fastest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Strong, stronger, strongest. читавре ки дар боло зикр кардем, сифат дар забони англисӣ низ дорои 3 дараҷа мебошад: дараҷаи оддӣ, қиёсӣ ва олӣ. The positive degree. The positive degree of an adjective is used to describe the simple quality of the object, person, or place without comparison. Examples: it is a tall building. She is a fast runner. This is a beautiful car. In these examples, the words tall, fast, and beautiful are adjectives in the positive degree. хонандагони азиз, дараҷаи оддӣ хусусияти оддии ашёро бидуни муқоиса ифода менамояд. дар мисолҳои қайдшуда, сифатҳои tall, fast ва beautiful дар дараҷаи оддӣ ҳастанд. Comparative adjectives. The comparative degree is used to compare the quality of 2 objects, people, or places. We use them when we want to compare one thing with another. When we compare using short words, 1 or 2 syllables, we add er at the end of the adjective. Example: Susan is taller than Kristen. хонандагони азиз, дараҷаи қиёсии сифат барои муқоиса намудани 2 ашё, нафар ва ҷой истифода мешавад. дар дараҷаи қиёсӣ калимаи зен истифода мешавад. ба сифатҳои кӯтоҳ дорои 1 ё 2 ҳиҷо дар дараҷаи қиёсӣ пасванди ia илова менамоем ки ба забони тоҷикӣ маънои тарро ифода мекунад. Examples: The bike is slower than the motorbike. The motorbike is faster than the bike. This place is colder than your freezer. The red pants are cheaper than the black ones. When we compare two things or people using long words, 3 or more syllables, we add more plus adjective plus than. Example: Medina is more beautiful than Sudobar. This book is more interesting than that one. در درجه قیاسی پیش از صفت‌هایی که دو و یا زیاده هجا دارند کلمه ما را علاوه می‌نماییم. در جمله زیرین مدینه نسبت به سودابه زیباتر است. کلمه زیباتر در درجه قیاسی آمده است. Extreme sports are more exciting than regular sports. Trousers are more formal than jeans. Superlative adjectives. If you want to compare 3 or more things, people, etc., you use the superlative degree. The superlative can be formed in 2 ways: adding est to the positive form of the adjective. We usually add est to one syllable and to some two-syllable words to make superlatives. Example: positive old, superlative oldest; positive young, superlative youngest; positive funny, superlative funniest. شاگردان عزیز، چطوری که مشاهده نمودید درجه عالی صفت‌های کوتاه با علاوه نمودن پسوند est ساخته می شود. Examples of short adjectives: It was the happiest day of my life. Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Adding the word most before the adjective. We use most to make superlatives for most two-syllable adjectives and for all adjectives with 3 or more syllables. Examples: careful, most careful; peaceful, most peaceful; expansive, most expansive; pleasant, most pleasant; interesting, most interesting; dangerous, most dangerous. در درجه عالی پیش از صفت‌هایی که از 2 و یا زیاده هجا عبارت میباشند کلمه most رو علاوه مینماییم. مثلا interesting, most interesting; شوق‌آور، شوق‌آورترین. Examples of long adjectives: Football is the most popular sport in the world. He is the most intelligent student in the class. She is the most beautiful girl in the world. Car C is the most expensive car of the 3. However, with these common two-syllable adjectives, you can either add er, r, and est or st, or use more and most: common, cruel, gentle, simple, likely, narrow, pleasant, polite, handsome, stupid. Examples: He is certainly handsomer than his brother. Or, his brother is handsome, but he is more handsome. She is one of the politest people I have ever met. She is the most polite person I have ever met. Spelling rules: If an adjective ends in a vowel and a consonant, we double the consonant. Example: big, bigger, biggest; fat, fatter, fattest, hot, hotter, hottest, wet, wetter, wettest. If an adjective ends in a consonant and y, we change y to I and add er or est. Examples: scary, scarier, scariest, lazy, lazier, laziest, happy, happier, happiest, silly, sillier, silliest. If an adjective ends in e, we add r or st. Examples: cute, cuter, cutest, large, larger, largest, nice, nicer, nicest, late, later, latest. хонандагони азиз, агар сифат бо ҳарфҳои сароноку ҳамсадо ба охир расад, пеш аз илова намудани пасванди ia ё est, ҳамсадои охирро ду маротиба менависем. агар сифат бо ҳарфҳои ҳамсадову ҳарфи вай ба охир расад, ҳарфи вай бо ҳарфи ай иваз шуда, сипас пасванди ia ё est илова менамоем. агар сифат бо ҳарфи и ба охир расад, пасванди а ё est илова карда мешавад. Irregular forms. There are some irregular adjectives. For example, good, better, the best, bad, worse, the worst, little, less, the least, etc. Dear students, this is the end of the lesson. I hope you have enjoyed it and got enough information about adjectives, degrees of comparison, spelling rules, and irregular adjectives. For further information about this grammar topic, you can look for some information on the internet. It would be really helpful for you to do the tasks related to this lesson in your books. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice time and bye.